bin lorry was travelling north in Queen Street outside the Gallery of Modern Art when it was in a collision with a pedestrian. The bin lorry then has continued north on Queen Street. It would appear to have gone up the footway, and there have been a number of other pedestrians that it has collided with.
It was a frenzy. People were darting all over, and it's very traumatic for a lot of people.
The bin lorry just lost control. It went along the pavement, knocking everyone like pinballs. There was baby in a buggy, and it just continued knocking people down until it actually ended up in the building.